Hello guys, today we are here at beach. We have lots of sand toys. We have this beach ball and we have two sand buckets. And beach ball is 3 plus. We have one sand bucket for me and one sand bucket for my baby brother. And we have two shovels for one sand bucket and we have one and we have this sand toy and we have a giant shovel.
Even we have this.
And we have a giant shovel. It's right here.
I opened it.
And we have this sand toy and this sand toy and this. Even this sand toy. Now let me open the beach ball. And I'm gonna fill it up with air.
God fill it.
I opened the beach ball. Now I'm gonna fill it up. Oh my gosh, it's too hard to fill. My dad could fill it with air.
This is harder.
Dad, can you fill it?
Yes.
Now we are gonna play on beach.
Play on beach.
Let's go, Vitaj. We are playing. We are digging sand. Avitaj is digging too. We are digging. I'm going inside. I can see a frog. It's hopping. It's coming to Avitaj. I'm going to swim. And I can see a bird landed next to Taj. I'm going to swim. You can see, guys. Avitaj, what is Avitaj doing? Avitaj is digging. Avitaj is mixing sand and water and digging. Avitaj, what are you doing?
I found a cool rock.
I found a shiny magic rock. There's two frogs right front of Taj and one front of me. I am putting water and sand. I'm putting water and sand inside the bucket. And what is Avitaj? My mom said, what is Avitaj doing? Avitaj is mixing sand and water.
Doing mix.
They have layers.
Avitaj.
They're not mixing, mom. They're layers. The sand. The sand. First he puts the sand, then he puts water. The water stands on the sand.
You're so busy.
Now, here's Avitaj's two shovels. I have one big shovel. I could see a flamingo. Now it's gone. It fly away. Avitaj, I'm digging and putting sand in the giant shovel. Avitaj is raking in the bucket. I could see a fish bouncing out the water and I could see a beach ball came next to me. Hey fish, are you bouncing? Hey fishy, the fish is bouncing through me. Circles and circles. Hey fish, Avitaj is so excited. He thinks, why is the fish bouncing? The fish is gone. It swam in the water. Avitaj is digging and putting sand in water. There's a sand bucket. He's getting sand from my bucket and putting in the green bucket. You can see the green buckets right next there. I am raking in the water sand. You can see, guys, I made a sand castle. Look, I made a sand castle and I made one there next to Avitaj. Avitaj has a lot of sand toys. Oh no, where's my sand castle? My sand castle is going in water and I could see a starfish sticking right there. And I am swimming and trying to rescue my sand castle. I'm swimming in the water just 4 feet deep. I can see a dolphin. It's coming next to me. It's so tiny. It's a baby dolphin. I could see fishes following me. The fishes are following me. They're going up, down in the water. And I'm swimming from them. Ah! Get out of here, fish. The fish are following me. Ah, go away, fish. Go away. Stop following me. swimming. I could see a bird next to me. And two dolphins, two baby dolphins. Avitaj is making a sandcastle, trying to make a sandcastle. He's digging and putting inside the sand bucket. Oh, his sand bucket got down. What is Avitaj looking at? Is he looking at a dolphin? A dolphin is bouncing. Oh no, my beach ball's blowing away. I'm swimming there and I could see fishes jumping in the water round and round. The fishes came to Avitaj. They're bouncing on, one fish is bouncing on a beach ball, one fish is bouncing on Avitaj's sand bucket. I made a sand castle, Avitaj and me made a sand castle. It's right here, you could see it. My sand castle's moving around.
I got a lot of sand inside here.
Okay. You should use that bucket.
No, Mom, it will ruin. I'm trying to make a square sand castle like this, but then it will ruin. It will be like a pyramid. Let me get some more sand. I will need these rocks.
Avitaj is playing with beach ball. There's two beach balls and another one. And I could see a tiny little octopus. Avitaj is digging. Avitaj is putting sand and I'm trying to get water and sand and putting it in my bucket. It's almost done. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And we have so fun at beach and we enjoyed. And subscribe my channel for more videos. I will see you next video. Goodbye.
Want to go?
Goodbye. Thank you.